Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display back cover. Removal. Carefully disconnect the Slate battery cable from the connector on the Slate system board. Important: make careful note of the placement of the webcam for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable from the Slate system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the rear-facing webcam from the adhesive that secures it to the Slate bracket and remove. Place the rear-facing webcam in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the rear-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Place the rear-facing webcam into position and adhere it to the Slate bracket. Insert the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable into the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector on the Slate system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully connect the Slate battery cable into the connector on the Slate system board.